Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix Lowe's home improvement app not working. So if you're currently having that exact problem and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what you're going to do, you're going to just close the app itself and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. So on this page, just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says general. So click on general, then scroll down a little bit again and click on storage in here. And by the way, if you're using an Android, don't worry, it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide as well. Just find storage on your Android. So go into your Android settings and then maybe if you can search, if you have a search bar on your settings, just search for storage or just find it basically. And in here, we're just going to scroll down until we can find the app itself here. So just keep scrolling down. And as you can see, the app is here. So click on the app and now you're going to click on Offload app. And then once again, click on Offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again, as you can see. Because what will happen now actually is that you will automatically update your app to the latest version. And this is exactly what you need to do to be able to actually fix it. Well, at least it actually worked for me after I automatically updated it to the latest version. So I think that when there is a new version, we need to sometimes do this to be able to actually push it to work. So I hope that this will be able to fix this problem for you as well.